Are you ready to share your music with the world? If yes, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Gotchscape Distribution. In this video, I will show you how to submit your music or video. First, visit www.distro.gotchscape.com and log into your account. On the dashboard page, click on Distribution. Now choose whether you want to distribute music, that is, single or album audios, or you want to submit a video. Now, fill out your track details, upload your song file, and add your cover art. Make sure your files are high quality and properly labeled. Once everything looks good, click Submit for review. Our team will check your submission and get it ready for release. You can manage your release and track your music progress and royalty earnings right from your dashboard. Your royalty balance updates every month. When your release is approved, it will go live on all major music streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, YouTube, and more. Start growing your audience, earning royalties, and managing your releases, all from one platform. Are you ready to get started? Visit www.distro.gotchscape.com or download our app and upload your first track today. For any inquiries, you can always reach out to us and let us keep the music playing. Call us on 0104 624 190. Send us an email on info@gotchscape.com. Or visit our website at www.gotchscape.com.